आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दो स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन हैं। स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 says ionization energy of nitrogen is greater than that of oxygen while the nitrogen atom is bigger than oxygen in size, says the second statement. So if we talk about ionization energy, this is the energy required to remove an electron from outer energy shell of an atom. So as we know, bigger will be the atom, more easy it will be to remove an electron. That means ionization energy is inversely proportional to size. And as we know, across a period, size decreases. And we are also aware about the situation of nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen and oxygen are elements of same group, and oxygen comes after nitrogen. That means size of nitrogen is greater than that of oxygen on the basis of size. But nitrogen have half-filled electronic configuration, due to which it is highly stable, while oxygen doesn't have. So in case of the ionization energy of nitrogen and oxygen, for the greater ionization energy of oxygen, only size factor comes into play. But while we talk about nitrogen, it has half-filled electronic configuration, due to which it is highly stable and it requires high energy to move from a stable configuration to the unstable configuration. Stable to unstable. For nitrogen, it requires high energy. That means ionization energy, that is first ionization energy of nitrogen is greater than that of oxygen. The size factor doesn't affect so much due to the stability of nitrogen. So our statement number 1 is correct, which says ionization energy of nitrogen is greater than that of oxygen. And statement number 2 is also correct, which says nitrogen atom is bigger than oxygen. But statement 2 is not correct explanation for 1, because it is concerned about the size factor. But here, why ionization energy of nitrogen is greater? It is due to the stability of the nitrogen atom, which is half-filled electronic configuration. So our option number B is correct. That statement 1 and 2 both are correct, but 2 is not correct explanation for 1. Option number B. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।